Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Alibaba Payment Failed. Now, this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. I'm going to be showing you like multiple solutions on how you can fix this problem. By the way, you can apply the exact same steps on your phone. If you are paying supplier on your iPhone or Android phone, you can do the exact same steps. Okay, so this is going to be caused by multiple reasons. Okay, I'm going to show you guys all the solutions on how you can fix this problem. Okay, so the first method, guys, is to check if there is like it's usually like when this happens, it's usually like a fraud prevention hold. Okay, you just need to call the credit card company and ask if they have blocked the transaction, because if they have blocked transaction, probably you are paying, for example, for small items like below $100, and all of the sudden you are paying now for large quantities and stuff like that. Probably like it's caused by the credit card company. Just need to call them and see if there is any hold or anything like that, just to make sure. Okay, so the second method, guys, I'm going to show you guys the second method, and you can just try all of this. Like I said, and see which method is going to work for you. Okay, the second solution here, guys, is to check if you have a problem only with certain suppliers. Okay, because it happened to me before. I was not able to pay a certain supplier, but when I tried to pay another supplier, the payment went smoothly. Like I was able to pay. Okay, so but there are some certain suppliers, they have a problem with their payment method probably, or something like that. Now just make sure that you don't have a problem, you have a problem with other suppliers too. Okay, so just in case, just make sure, that's just what you need to do, guys. Just make sure you have you don't have a problem with other suppliers. Now if this problem like happens with all suppliers, then there is a problem there, which is VPN. Okay, so if you are using a VPN on your phone or laptop, the payment is going to be blocked by Alibaba. Okay, this is a very common thing. A lot of people use VPN. Now if you are using VPN, just disable it and you will be able to pay. Okay, so there are also other steps. For example, I'm going to show you guys exactly what you need to do if you removed VPN. If you remove VPN and still the problem exists, now what you guys need to do is you want to contact Alibaba. Okay, you can contact a real person that will check and see what problem you have. Okay, so what you guys need to do, you want to just scroll down at the very bottom and search here for help center or something like that. Yeah, here it says here Git support. As you can see, you want to click on help center. Okay, so after, guys, you click on help center, it's going to take you guys to this page, as you can see, and here you can see if there is like any, just give you guys a recommendation and suggestions here. Now just need to scroll down and click here, it says contact us online service, and click on it, and after that you can talk to a real person. As you can see, I just said here, can I talk to a real person, and say, I'm a real person, may I now how can I help you today? Hi dear, thanks for reaching out, I am Anna. If you have like any problem, you can click if you have any problem below, you can just choose which problem you have, but in this case it seems like there is nothing that says here payment failed. You can check like payment methods, or you can just talk to them directly, like I have a problem with payment failed. Okay, something like that. Okay, just need, for example, I have a problem with payment file, just click on send, and then you will be able to check your account and see what is wrong with your payment. Okay, with your payment method. Now that's exactly, guys, how you can fix this problem. Hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment, and yeah, see you guys in the next one.